Hi students, my name is Erlinda S. Apoli. Welcome to the session 7 of the course Basics of English. This session is a lone lesson from part 7, the agreement of subject and the verb, because we will discuss 20 rules of grammar. Are you ready? Let's start. Subject-verb agreement is the grammatical rule that the verb or verbs in a sentence must match the number, person, and gender of the subject. In English, the verb needs to match just the number and sometimes the person. In this lesson, we are going to learn 20 rules of grammar, so pay attention. The first rule is subjects and verbs must agree in number. For example, Caraga State University is a premier state university. Butuan City launches the AgriBoost program. A singular or one subject is always followed by the singular form of the verb. In these examples, Caraga State University is singular, therefore the verb is. And in the next example, we have Butuan City is also singular, that is why we have the verb launches. The next examples are the students take the exam. The graduates sing their graduation song. Note that a plural or more than one subject is always followed by the plural form of the verb. Rule number 2. Do not get confused by the words that come between the subject and verb. For example, the witness who was called to the case is usually very good. In the sentence, the witness who is called to the case is usually very good, the main subject is the witness. The phrase, who was called to the case, is a non-essential clause providing additional information about the witness but does not change the number or singularity or plurality of the main subject. The third rule is prepositional phrases between the subject and verb usually do not affect the agreement. For example, the singer in this contest is very talented. The singers in this contest are very talented. Similar to rule number 3, do not get confused by the words between the subject and the verb. Number 4. If a sentence starts with there or here, the subject will always be placed after the verb. For example, there is a forum today. Here are the results from the judges. The subjects here are not there or here, but the first sentence has forum as the subject and the second sentence has results as the subject. Number 5. Subjects can come after the verb in questions. For example, does Ben always play with dogs? How are the students today? Rule number 6. If two subjects are joined by and, they typically require a plural verb. For example, Mark and Vincent are friends. Number 7. If two subjects are separated by and, refer to the same thing, the verb is singular. For example, in the Philippines, rice and fish is a staple meal. Number 8. If both subjects are singular and connected by or, nor, neither nor, either or, and not only but also, the verb is singular. For example, either the mayor or the barangay captain attends the fiesta. Neither the jeepney driver nor the tricycle driver knows the way to the new mall. Number 9. If both subjects are plural and connected by the words or, nor, neither nor, either or, and not only but also, the verb is plural. For example, either the teachers or the students are preparing for the school festival. Number 10. If one subject is singular and one plural and are connected by the words or, nor, neither nor, either or, and not only but also, use the subject that is nearest the verb. For example, neither the principal nor the teachers are attending the meeting. Either the students or the teacher is responsible for the classroom decorations. Number 11. Units of measurement usually use a singular verb. For example, 10 pesos is not enough to buy a bottle of water. 5 kilometers is a long distance to walk to school. Number 12. Collective nouns usually take a singular verb. For example, the committee decides on the budget every year. The family enjoys spending holidays in Baguio. Number 13. Titles of books, movies, novels, etc. are treated as singular. For example, Noli Me Tangere is a famous novel written by Jose Rizal. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone is a popular fantasy novel. Number 14. Two infinitives separated by and take a plural verb. For example, to swim and to dive are his favorite hobbies. To read and to write are essential for academic success. Number 15. Gerunds alone take a singular verb. Gerunds linked by and take a plural verb. For example, swimming is my favorite hobby. Swimming and diving are his passions. Number 16. If the words each, every, or no come before the subject, the verb is singular. For example, every student likes the new teacher. None of the books is interesting. Number 17. Most indefinite pronouns take singular verbs. These are some examples of indefinite pronouns. 1. Someone, anyone, no one, everyone. Body, somebody, anybody, nobody, everybody. Thing, something, anything, nothing, everything. For example, someone loves you secretly. Everyone is enjoying the show. Anything is accepted. Number 18. Both, few, many, others, and several take a plural verb. For example, many of the students are here today. A few have the right answer. Number 19. When the subject is all, any, more, most, none, or some, this is the only time you must look at the object of the prepositional phrase to determine whether it is singular or plural. Example: all of the books are on the shelf. Some of the cake is gone. Number 20, final rule. Remember, only the subject affects the verb. It is incorrect to say the key to success are determination and hard work. It is correct to say the key to success is determination and hard work. That is it for our lesson today. I hope you have learned adjectives and verbs to heart. Don't forget to answer the quiz on this topic. Thank you very much for listening.